Children, now we are going to learn about the zone refining process. Zone refining process meant for to purify crude metal. What is meant by crude metal? That is metal plus impurities. Impurities may be the other metals, non-metals, unreacted metal oxide present with the metal. This is to be removed. That is called refining, purifying. So this zone refining process first invented by D. Bernal. This is not given in a book, just for information I am giving. This is invented by D. Bernal of Ireland, but the real credit goes to W.G. Buffon, American chemist, because he only fully developed for the metals. For example, mostly this method is employed for silicon, germanium. Both are metalloids. They are used for the motherboards, for computer, cell phone. So these metals should be made of high purity. So this zone refining process is based on the principle of fractional crystallization. Fractional crystallization means little area gets crystallized. That is liquid converted to solid. Fraction of the metal to be crystallized, that is liquid state converted to a solid state. Now the impure rod is taken in the form of a bar or rod. It is heated by a mobile induction heater. That is, mobile induction heater means, mobile means movable, moving. Heater means heating. Mobile induction heater means slowly moving automatically. For example, this is the impure rod taken in the form of a bar. Then mobile induction heater kept here. So now this portion is heated. When it is heated, it gets melted. This portion gets melted, and when this portion gets melted, and now the heater, mobile induction heater, automatically moves. So consider now the heater comes here. So this position, which is already melted, after the induction heater moves, this part crystallizes, that is solidified, and the impurities present in this area moves to the molten state. This part is melted, so the impurities present here move along with the induction heater to the molten state. Now this part get heated. Then after some time, the induction heater moves here. So this part get solidified and the impurities moved here. And lastly, the heater comes to the end. So all the impurities moves to the one end. So this area that is impure, this is cut and taken out. Once more, this process is repeated many times so that all the impurities move to one side, that is one end, and thus it can be removed. For example, best example we can give கரும்பு ஜூஸ் sailor, கரும்பு ஜூஸ் seller. If you see means that person will cut all that sugar, cane sugar, கரும்பெல்லாம் வெட்டி வச்சிருப்பாரு. ஸோ வாட் he will do, அந்த கரும்பெல்லாம் he will pass into the machine and all the juice will get down. Once more what he will do, once more he pushes that sugar cane into that machine, and once more the juice gets dropped down. Likewise many times he will repeat. So whenever he is repeating, all the juice gets fallen, and at last even he folds up, and once more he will insert inside. So if he is doing many times, what happens? All the juices present in that will get down. Likewise, same process only here. Once more this process repeated. So we'll get 99.9% purity will get here. Likewise, this zone refine, for example, see, consider this is the mobile induction heater. Pen is in the form of an impure rod. So see, this is the heater. First it is kept here, then slowly the rod moves. Likewise automatically it moves. Likewise it moves to one end, so all the impurities move to the other end, so it gets cut and taken out. And once more this induction heater, once more it is repeated like this. So when it is repeated many times, all the impurities are removed and we are getting 99.9% purity metal. So this process is kept in an inert atmosphere. For example, inert gas atmosphere, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. If you are taking argon atmosphere inside, you have to cover it and you have to kept inside some inert gas. Why? Means to prevent the oxidation of metals. If silicon metal is kept here, it becomes into silicon oxide. To prevent that one, we have to kept inside an inert atmosphere. This is very important. Inert atmosphere to prevent the oxidation of metals. So elements like germanium, silicon, are both are semiconductors or metalloids, and even gallium can be refined using this process.